Hey everybody, True Weirdo here. I know this is the first time you actually see me standing up and outside, not playing a video game, but today we're actually going to do something with a car. So, if you've ever seen one of these, this is a 1991 CRX. It sounds like this when you press the horn. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change it. I'm not going to show you the changing process because, for one, I'm not super good with that, and I'll probably tell you how to do it wrong. And for two, I don't want you to see the front end.
2 hours later.
Hey everybody, here we are. Just got done putting in the new horns. Just so you know, if you ever go to wire up a single horn with two horns, don't follow the guide that it gives you in the paperwork. It tells you to put on some grounds for each one. Doesn't work. Just throwing that out there. Save you some trouble. Quite literally, hook them one line, each of them, total. So you're gonna hook this one to the first line and to the second line, or second horn. Yes, I'm terrible at words, but here's the finished product.
Oh my god.
Boom! Loud horn. Now people will actually hear me when I'm going down the road. Till later. Till next time. Later, guys. Till later. It's the horn.
Oh my god.